Hey, welcome to another beautiful day. A little misty out here at the River House. So what we're here to do today is to take care of the things that I know we can do. We are going to clean up the hole, such as it is, for the house site. I want to get prepared to maybe start grading it. We'll decide on the rocks when we decide on the rocks. Either we'll build over the top or we'll find a way to break them, one of the two. Then I would like to prepare and mark out right in through here is where my septic line has to run. So let's at least get the giant boulders out of the way and stack neatly somewhere. I got a whole mess of pallets with me today. And then with luck we can start measuring and marking. I got some spray paint. We can start to get a grasp on the chaos of this project and get it down into little chunks that I can work on, because that's how I gotta do it. I gotta create a bite and eat it, and then I create another bite and eat it, and eventually we've eaten the meal. So that's the goal today. Train! So the family's here and we're going to stop for lunch. I got a lot of the rocks moved, as you certainly saw, and I only broke one of them. I set another one on top of it and it broke, so it probably would have broken regardless. I've been trying to not break them because I know these have value. I'm not even going to move, like, the hoe's not moving this one, so. But I got those over there, and then I'll be able to, I don't know. I don't know how to start, right? I've been nibbling around the edges, like I said, and I don't know how to start it. So somehow we've got to get the septic line, which is directly underneath the tripod there, up to the house site. We can either go up in the ditch with the power, which would mean trenching it across and over. We did leave it a little deep because we knew we were going to do this, so everything is a little deep. So it'd still be deep enough out over in there, or we come up this side. Now you can kind of see that first little wall, and then there's another wall of dirt. Back in there is the rock ledge. It kind of goes back at an angle. So the idea was to bring it on the foot underneath the fuel tank, bring it in the foot. That'll be this gradual slope, and then start going up, either in chunks or well, if we do a 45 degree, we run the risk of the liquids outrunning the solids. Know what I mean? And that'll leave us, I guess, with a long run like this, a chance for it to plug. So I was told you want to keep that gradual slope, whatever standard there, and then do like 90s, and so it just goes and kaboom, goes and kaboom, and then everything stays together, and I guess it helps break things up. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go have something to eat, because that's an easier decision than what I do next. Well, we got a lot cleaned up. Our broken rock moved. All that over there shoveled off. Before I give up on breaking it, I have to at least try all the different pieces. So tomorrow I'll see if I can break that far ledge, and if I can break that down, well then maybe we'll go back and beat our heads against this one a little more. But Danny and Shay came out. It's a heck of a quantity of rock, considering it's all moved in the bucket of the tractor, plus the big ones. I didn't want to hurt myself moving. And all the big ones over there. Yeah, I've gotten a lot out of here. It's all that. I'll come try it tomorrow. It was a long day. We got a lot done. The weather sucked in on us and made everything far less pleasant. Once you've soaked through your under layers and it's too hot to keep your coat on, and you're an ice ball with your wet undershirt. But listen to me whine. I don't even own a vineyard. Bottle my own. Backhoe's running great. No problems. The oil is crystal clear still. You know, we've got not much, maybe an hour on the motor since we changed that funky nasty oil. But there's no sign of anything going south. I think we were just cleaning out all the scummies. Super's sweet. I'll worry about it later if something goes wrong. But it is a beautiful, look at the ice. My ice fog starting to form up there. Kind of wish I was putting that thing away tonight. Maybe I will. Man, oh man. This time last year, the ice was halfway across the river. Mounded up 12 feet high along the bank. I don't think there's anything. A little rind maybe. It's okay. We would never be working at all if it wasn't like this, so I'm fine. Thanks for watching.